There are over 10,000 species of birds on Earth, ranging from tiny hummingbirds to large, flightless birds like ostriches. Species: albatrosses, known for their long wingspans and ability to soar over vast distances. Penguins, flightless seabirds that are adapted to swimming and living in cold environments. Flamingos, wading birds with distinctive pinkish-red feathers and long legs. Kingfishers, birds known for their diving abilities and catching fish. Birds of prey. Owls, nocturnal birds of prey with excellent eyesight and hearing. Falcons, birds of prey known for their speed and hunting techniques. Eagles, large birds of prey with powerful talons. Vultures, known for their scavenged diet and ability to find carrion.